Hi guys, how are you today, guys? Hope you are in good health, guys. Today our topic it's related is the valve. So basic, simple, like normal informations that you need to know. What is the ESD valve and what is the importance of this valve? Okay, we'll proceed. So basically, this is the example, guys. I taken this in the YouTube or Google. So you can see here, this is our ESD valve, which is this is our line. This is process line. So meaning any any oil that passing through in this valve, and then this is the top portions that is installing in the top. That is ESD. So ESD is emergency shutdown valve. Now you can see here, this is a sort of the example about ESD. So normally one of the solution applied neither acoustic leak sensor or dynamic pressure leak sensor. So this is coming from the vendor. So here you can see the torque force strain sensor. In this area you can see the sensor, and then you have also the actuator pressure sensor in this area. So positioner transmitter, this located this one. So during the testing, calibration, you can see as well in this position. So in this area, in this position that you can see here, this is acoustic leak sensor. And then we have also a dynamic pressure leak sensor. So this is the ESD bulb. So what is the purpose of ESD bulb, guys? So ESD bulb is a shutdown bulb, refer for the like SDB, ESDB, and ESDV. So emergency shutdown bulb. That's the design of the like you are in the oil and gas industry. So any flow that passing through in that process line, and this can be helpful that to shut down and close the bulb. So that's why we have also the MOV and also the ESD. So that is linked together along with the process line. Okay, this provides protections against possible harm of people, equipment, and environment. So shutdown valves from the part of the safety instrument system. That's why when we do the FAT activities, functional acceptance testing, so we do the testing and through our control using by our HMI or neither our program that we need to verify the trip and closing of our system. So that is the important thing that you need to do to have a testing because this is a critical and the process line. So any event that can be damage or catastrophic of our platforms or our refinery, and ESD valves, that's the main job to shut down this process line. Okay, so this is the actual installations of our ESD valve. As you can see here, this is the one that I'm telling earlier. You can see the illustrations of our ESD valve, positioner, the valve. Okay, and you can see here, this is what I'm telling earlier. You can backtrack of my presentations. You can see the slides. So this is the actual installations of our ESD, and this is our process line. Okay, so emergency shutdown valve is a part of the safety instrument system. So that is a vital part of the safety and describes this element, okay, as a safety instrument devices or any equipment. So shutdown valve, blow down valve, okay, emergency shutdown ventilation, shutdown box. This is combinations for the whole process line. MOV, shutdown valves. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is our remote desk. And the remote desk, like we have a control room, and then it's passing through our database, and then we have a client maintenance system, and this is hierarchy. At you can see this. So from this upstream, this is our remote desk, and then downstream you can see the MOB, that is a motor operated valve, and you can see the pressure safety valve and ESD, that's actual on off valve as well. And then that's going to our subsea or Christmas tree and top side. So that's the whole process, and this is what we are calling, this is a safety instrument, equipment, and devices. So that's a short example how the works, how the ESD valve can big importance to our process line. So thank you guys, and hopefully that you have gained some knowledge about this ESD valve. And later on, we need to discuss also some of these MOBs, shutdown valves, on-off valves, and related instrumentations. Okay, and thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.